Ready to revolutionize your Next.js app with seamless Stripe payments? First, you'll need a Next.js project. If you don't have one ready, quickly create one using Create Next App Now. Install the Stripe.js library using npm or yarn. This library is your gateway to secure client-side payment processing. Inside your checkout component, import Stripe.js, then initialize a Stripe instance with your publishable key. Remember, never expose your secret key on the client side. Create a form to collect payment details. Utilize Stripe elements, pre-built UI components, to collect card information securely. Stripe elements handles sensitive data directly, reducing your PCI compliance burden. When the user submits the form, use Stripe.js to create a token or a payment method. This token represents the card details. Securely send this token to your server-side endpoint. On the server side, using your secret key, create a charge or a payment intent using the Stripe API with the token you received. Handle successful payments and any errors gracefully, informing the user accordingly. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Stripe.js into your Next.js application. Remember to consult Stripe's documentation for advanced features like subscriptions, saved cards, and more. Happy coding!